Hi language learners, welcome to the first episode of English 101 with me, Syifa. Today we're going to learn about the name of countries and also its nationalities. Do you guys know how many countries in the world right now? There are 95 countries in the world today. Hari ini kita mau belajar tentang nama-nama negara dan juga kewarganegaraan di dunia. Tapi teman-teman udah tahu belum sih, apa sih bedanya negara dan kewarganegaraan? Today we're going to talk about it right now. So country is like the place where people reside in, where there is a government, a rule, and also a law. Jadi negara itu kayak suatu tempat di mana orang-orang tinggal, yang mana di situ ada pemerintahan, ada hukumnya, dan ada berbagai macam peraturan. Nah, orang-orang yang tinggal di suatu negara ini memiliki kewarganegaraan, which is nationalities. Nah, bedanya negara dan nationalities ini atau country and also nationalities is that country itu tempat, nationalities itu seperti identity. Today we're going to learn about those two words. Now let's talk about the first country, Indonesia. So the name of the country is Indonesia. People who live in Indonesia are called Indonesian. Jadi nama negaranya Indonesia dan nama kewarganegaranya adalah Indonesian. Oke. Number 2, France. Nah, ini pengucapannya sedikit dekat. Jadi, kalau nama negaranya itu France, F-R-A-N-C-E, nama orang-orang yang tinggal di negara Prancis atau France adalah French, F-R-E-N-C-H. Jadi, bedanya sedikit ya antara France dan French. Jadi, ada c-nya sedikit. Number 3, Malaysia. Negaranya namanya Malaysia. So the country's name is Malaysia and the nationality is Malaysian ditambah N seperti Indonesia. Number 4, China. China ini sedikit berbeda karena we have to change the suffix, we have to change the ending. Jadi kalau negaranya namanya China, orang-orang yang tinggal di China are called Chinese. We add is at the end of the word. Number 5, Poland atau negara Polandia. Orang-orang yang tinggal di negara Polandia are called Polish, P-O-L-I-S-H. Nah, itu tadi nama 5 negara dan juga kewarganegaraannya. So those are the names of countries and also its nationalities. So, do you guys learn a lot today? Of course, there are so many countries that we have not talked about today yet. I guess we can talk about that later in our next episode of English 101. So, are you guys excited? See you guys on English 101 episode 2 with me again, Syifa. Bye!